Good afternoon. Welcome aboard. Is this your first time flying with us?
Hi, yes, it is actually. I'm a bit nervous about flying, to be honest.
Oh, don't worry at all. You're in very safe hands. Can I get you something to drink before we take off? We have water, juice, or tea.
That would be lovely, thank you. Could I have some orange juice, please?
Of course. Here you go. And just so you know, once we reach cruising altitude, we'll be serving a light meal. Do you have any dietary restrictions I should know about?
Actually, yes. I'm vegetarian. Is that going to be a problem?
Not at all. We have a delicious vegetarian pasta option. I'll make sure to set one aside for you.
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you so much. One more thing. How long is the flight?
The flight is approximately 3 hours. We should arrive right on schedule. If you need anything at all during the flight, just press the call button above your seat.
Thank you. You've been so helpful. I feel much better now.
That's what we're here for. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.